Hello, you are welcome to Emmanuel Crypto, and in this particular video I'm sharing with you how you could start your trading buying Bitcoin. But do you know that before you starting buying Bitcoin, there are some certain things you just need to know, that your failure to this thing, you too can also join the bandwagon to say crypto is a scam. Yes, and that's why you just need to watch this particular video to the end. So I'll be sharing with you some certain things you just need to avoid, what you need to do, and that is why this particular video is very important. As you just need to share it to somebody to just watch, to just know that crypto is never a scam. Before trading your first crypto, there are some certain things you need to know. Are you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. This is my Bybit account, but you are not just to have a Bybit account. I'll be dropping my link in the description on the particular video. Those are for Android user. So you have to go to your Play Store. Let's go to my, this is my Play Store right away now. Then you have to come to the search button here. Yes, and just type on, you search for Bybit. You search for Bybit. I'm actually doing this particular video a step by step so that it could be very easy for every one of us. If not, you just have to know that these are just the elementary thing you need to know. So you see, I already have Bybit on my mobile phone, so I just have to, you can see update. But if you don't have a Bybit, it will show you that you have to download. Then after downloading, you have to install it on your mobile phone. Then after that, the first thing you need to do after you have done that is to do your KYC. So for you to perform your KYC, you have to come to this particular section. You can just do your KYC. KYC means know your customer. You just have to register your account. Then you come down to this settings section. Then you can just use your NIN or your BVN to just register to be in a level 1. And after you have done that, this particular one, you see it will show you that verified. That is if you have completed your level 1 verification. Because without this, it will be impossible for you to start doing some certain trades on Bybit. So the first thing you need to know for you to start the first trade is that you need to deposit. And I've shared in some of my previous video that there are diverse ways in which you can deposit your crypto into your Bybit account. The first one is that you can use through P2P. So when you just come down to P2P, I tell you, this was one of those things I suffered a lot for. I never knew somebody was building a house on my head, because then I don't actually know the amount of a dollar to a naira. So whatever the person tells me, that is the amount I will pay them. But I tell you, for you, showing you this particular territory, you know the amount at which a naira to a dollar is, and nobody will be able to cheat you at any point in time. So when you just filter, you come back down to this amount. Let's say I want to buy a $200,000. I have a lot of video on P2P that I've shared on this particular platform. I'm dropping the description in the I'm dropping a lot of some of those video in the description of this particular video. You just have to watch it, because this filter is very important. You pick bank transfer. You have to do all this. You can see that the price have changed so that you not go and trade with scammer. So that means at currently now, on a naira to a dollar now, it's currently at 1,560. You can see it now. So anybody telling you to bring 2,000 for a dollar now, you know that that way that price is way low. There's even the sell button. So let's tap on the buy to say this is the amount you'll be buying on this particular platform, and this is a legit buyer. You could see 1,500. So you just need to complete your KYC before you can buy. So if you want to buy, you just have to tap on this particular buy, then you send the particular funds to them, and before you know it, they will credit your P2P. And one thing you need to know is that if you buy for P2P, when you come back down to this access section, it will be on your unified trading account. I don't want to show my amount I'm having. That is why you can see this asterisk. So you see, it will be under the your funding account. So you have to bring it to your unified trading account. And for you to do that, you have to first of all, you have to come to this. You come to transfer, let it load. So it will tell you that where do you want to transfer your fund from. So I told you, I say it will be from funding to unified. This is how it has to be. Then you pick that particular crypto you want to transfer. So you can use here, you just tap on USDT. So you just put your maximum, then you click on confirm. Then from there, your crypto will leave your funding account, which is this particular place. It will leave as like when it is in your unified trading account, then that means you are ready to trade. Then from there, what you need to do next is to come to this market section. After you have come to this market section, let's say we want to buy Bitcoin. Let's say it is Bitcoin. You can just use the abbreviation BTC. You allowed it to load. And one of those things you need to check is the pair. You could see this one is Bitcoin pair to USDT. This one another Bitcoin pair to USDC. This one is pair to Euro, BRL, USDE. Yes, but these are not the four. These are not what we are using. It was USDT we bought, which was a stable coin. So this is the pair we'll be selecting here. Now you select this particular one. This is it. Then one thing you need to take note, very critical, is the buy section here and the sell section here. We are not selling, we are buying. So let's say we want to tap. Let's say we bought 200,000, gave us 150 USDT. Then you tap 150 USDT. Then you need to look at the trading. You need to buy at what market order. Let me tap it now. You come to, you see, it could say limit. You come to this market. That means when you put it on market, meaning it should buy at the current price that BTC is. So you just have to tap your normal amount of BTC 150. So when you just tap on this buy, it will buy on an instant. Maybe you are thinking that the price of BTC will fall 87, from this 87 to 85, then you just have to come to limit order. Then you'll be able to do some adjustment. Yeah, you can now remove all this particular one and just put, maybe let's say 80,000. We are thinking it will come, now put 80,000. Then you now put the quantity of your USDT 150. You see, for at 80,000 at 150 USDT, you could see the amount of BTC to get at 0.00. So this is just the first way. The second way is that you can actually, if you have a trusted vendor where you buy your crypto from, so you can just come to this particular place and you just tap on this, your unify trading. Then what you just do is to search for BTC. Let's say you are buying for somebody and you want to send it to your Bybit wallet. You just tap on this search. You tap on BTC. After you have tapped on BTC, not all this one you use, you tap on this first one. Let me show you. It is the first one you tap on. We want to copy our BTC address. Yes, this is it now. Let me show you. What you need to do is to come to deposit first. That is what you need to do. You have to come to this your deposit first. When you tap on deposit, it will ask you that on P2P or you want to buy with Naira or anything. It is this third one you choose, deposit crypto. Like what I say, you have somebody that wants to sell BTC to you. So you just tap BTC. Maybe you have send me your BTC address, or send me any of your crypto address, maybe by maybe Dutch Ethereum, any of it. So you tap on the BTC. It will bring out the address for us. Then you tap on BTC. So this is what you just need to send to the person now, which is this. This is your BTC address. Yes. So after the person have sent it to you, it will show under your Unify trading account. These are just the two ways in which you can actually trade BTC or deposit BTC to your Bybit account. If this was helpful, please kindly like,